Hey guys, we're working on the coil from the hot tub. Went to put some water in it today and got a couple leaks in the coil anyways. So I went and bought a couple joiners because this was 3/4 inch copper. And I had joiners on the end to beef it up just enough to fit a hose tight. Anyways, seems like this swelled up somehow. I don't know if it was from the ice that popped it or the heat, hard to say. But now that's actually bigger than a joiner. The inside of it's actually the size of a joiner itself now. This is just an actual piece of 3/4 copper. And I'm just gonna tap it in there. I'm gonna clean in there really good. I got this piece sandpaper on the drill basically. I clean up in here. And I'm just gonna solder that in there like that and hope it works. And, I know I'll be able to solder it, whether the heat pop the solder joint or not, I don't know. Yeah, we'll just have to see how it goes. We'll let you know.
We have the solder done in the couple places that we needed. I still can't get over it cracking. We're back outside. We have it in the burn rim, and we have it hooked up to the both. That's where the hot water will come out of, and this is the one where the cold water will go in to get warm. The biggest fear that we have with this is when the fire gets going in the middle of the coil there, that it's just going to melt out that solder and then it's going to leak. So we're going to do a trial run, see how it goes. Not going to fill the hot tub up all the way. We're going to fill it to the minimum, get a fire going, and see how it goes. Okay guys, so Rise over there, you can see him, he's splitting up some wood for inside the coil. Right here I have hose coming out from the kitchen taps, and right now I'm pumping in a bunch of hot water. Really warm already. I'm going to fill that just above the bottom spigot there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the water, let the furnace heat it back up, and we're going to get a fire going in the coil there. So we'll just keep you updated as we go along, and we'll let you know at that point how the repair on the coil is holding up. So as you can see guys, fire is going right there, and we're just above that first spigot there. Hopefully we have no issues there with that solder melting on us. So wish us luck. So you can see where the hot water is coming in from the top now. So it's only been 11.5 minutes, where the colder water going in through the bottom. It's going through this hose on the ground into that coil, and of course we know heat rises. So when the water gets hot, it circles its way up the coil, goes along the top here, and will shoot into the hot tub. Now once the hot tub is full over that line there, it'll just kind of seep in and it'll keep mixing while you're in the hot tub. Another thing, I did turn the hose off for a little bit. We took the wood stove down to about 120 degrees, so I'm going to give that a chance to warm back up, and then I'll just turn the hose back on and keep filling this thing. It's really hot in here right now. Hey everybody, so I have some fantastic news. The hot tub is full. We used it all last night. Nothing happened with the coil, so the soldering did hold up for us. But I was definitely worried that it was going to leak overnight or while we were using it. But yeah, it didn't. So that is fantastic. There is where the repair was. A couple different spots. Thanks for stopping by Maccustoms. Don't forget to like the video, leave us a comment, and subscribe if you don't already. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.